Do you or someone you know suffer from Parkinson's disease? If so, I have something that I would like to invite you to. It's a Parkinson's disease workshop that we're hosting here at Rehab Specialists. My name is Allison Lois, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and I wanted to give you a quick idea of what you'll learn at the Parkinson's workshop. Firstly, you'll learn one of the biggest mistakes that people with Parkinson's disease make in regards to their mobility. The second thing that you'll learn at the Parkinson's workshop is that Parkinson's disease can cause poor balance, poor posture, and freezing of gait. Number 3 is what successful treatment of Parkinson's disease looks like and long-term management of your mobility. If Parkinson's disease is making you miss out on things that you enjoy in your life, please feel free to attend our Parkinson's disease seminar to regain that joy. Click on the button next to this video to register for the workshop. Look forward to seeing you there.